And here are the reasons why it's not working. Because when we make goals, it is not specific. We just make it vague. I want to be rich. I want to be healthy. Have a love life. Okay naman yun, pero it could be better if we make it specific. It's a brand new year. In the previous year, there were a lot of challenges, a lot of pains, but you've made it. It's a new year. You have overcome. With all those challenges, it brought the worst of us, but also even the best of us. It made us better. It made us stronger. That's why whatever you have gone through in the past, you feel like, nothing really happened. But don't worry, whatever happened, there were seeds that were planted and hopefully this year it will come to pass. So don't think na sayang yung taon mo. Wala nangyari, meron nangyari. Na-realize mo kung ano yung para sa'yo. And also, you know how to move on from those things that's not really beneficial for you. So whatever happened in the past, it will just shape you for who you are. And it will make you better as a person. And now as we are starting the year, we always say, Happy New Year. But did you ask the question, why is the New Year happy? Right? Diba, nasanay tayo, Happy New Year, bro! But why is it happy? Why can we also say that the best is yet to come in New Year? I will give you 6 things that I think that will make the New Year great. Number 1, new goals. It can be a health goal. You want to be healthier. Career goals, maybe you want to be promoted. Business goals, you want to start a business. Finance goals, maybe you want to dabble and start investment. Maybe you want to have a blossoming relationship or at least to have a relationship with a special someone. So this is a good time to make new goals. I'm not saying here New Year's resolution because most of the time we do New Year's resolution and normally it doesn't work or we don't follow through. And I've read this research. According to this research, only 10% really just go through or follow through with their New Year's resolutions. And this is a study by John Roxas in Scranton University. You will see every time that it's January, gyms are packed. Diba? Punong-puno. Hindi makagamit ng bench press. And normally that happens high in January because after a while, parang hindi naman natutuloy, di ba? Guilty ka ba dun? Naisip natin, dami natin nakain ng New Year. Kailangan ko magpabawas. Pero when the time comes when we want to do the new goal of exercising, hindi natin nagagawa. And here are the reasons why it's not working. Because when we make goals, it is not specific. We just make it vague. I want to be rich. I want to be healthy. Have a love life. Okay naman yun, pero it could be better if we make it specific. Another thing is, when we make goals, it's really not resonating deep down to our core. We are making those goals kasi nakita natin, oy, si bro, yan yung goal niya. Sige, makikigol ako. Or ito yung trend sa TikTok, sa Facebook, sa YouTube. Yun na rin yung goal ko. So it's not really resonating with you. So when the rubber meets the road, when there are challenges, ayaw mo na kasi hindi nagko-connect sa'yo eh. We are making those resolutions, kaya nga hindi nag-work kasi yun yung tingin natin na kailangan natin. But sometimes it's not what we really want. So quick tip, so when you are making your goals, do something that you really want and not because you were just hyped by the people around you. So as we make the goals that we truly want, we can make it more specific and breaking it down into simpler action steps so that mas magawa talaga natin. Kasi kung vague nga, gusto ko maging healthy, teka, what do you mean when you want to be healthy? I-break down para mas simple at mas magawa natin. So for example, health goal, I will ride the stationary bike for 15 minutes every time I wake up in the morning. So finance goals, instead of saying I want to be rich, what you can do, I will start first in investing, setting aside money, make it more specific. So in business, we can say, I will sell men's apparel and I will sell it in online platforms, Shopee, Lazada, and market it. Finances, instead of just saying, I want to invest, what you will do, okay, every time I get extra funds, may nakuha akong bonus sa salary ko, isi-set aside ko and I will put it in an online brokerage And then, pwede ko ilagay sa spot trading. Just a caveat again, invest on your money that you are willing to lose. Relationship goals. So, for example, yung gusto mo, sige, gusto ko maka-move on sa ex. O, yun yung goal mo. To make it more specific, o sige, pagdating ng gabi, pag nalulungkot ka, wag mong isustok, i-check yung IG stories ng ex mo para maka-move on ka. So, it can be more specific. So, make your goals more specific so that it can be attainable and even sustainable in the long run. The thing that should happen, and this is number 2, new habits. Because there's a sudden drive or urge in having new goals and doing it, but we need to sustain it with our habits because yung willpower natin, nauubos yan. And sometimes, if our willpower is not enough, hindi na natin nagagawa or nawawala yung motivation natin. So, it's good to develop habits. Sino dito nagtututbrush sa inyo? Comment below kung hindi ka nagtututbrush. I think lahat naman tayo nagtututbrush. Pagka pagod tayo, stress sa work, broken-hearted, sugatan, nagtututbrush pa rin tayo, right? Because it's already a habit. Our goals, yes, we have our goals, pero we need to attach a habit so that pagka pagod tayo, tinatamad tayo, our habits will carry us through. There's a book that I really like. It's by James Clear, Atomic Habits. Comment below kung nabasa niyo yun. Yung sinasabi niya, there are 4 factors that contributes in habit building. Ito yung habit loop. So, yung first, you have your cue. Then you have your craving, number 2. Number 3, you have your response. Number 4, you have your reward. So example, if you want to build a habit of investing, so yung cue mo, yun yung parang trigger mo. Ano yung pwede mong trigger para masimulan mo yung pag-invest? O sige, kada sweldo mo ng 15 or 30, yun yung cue. Pagka may pumasok sa ATM mo, that's your cue. Yung second is your craving, is your desire to really have investment so that money can work hard for you. And then, number 3 is yung response. Ito yung parang actual habit na gagawin mo. So, the actual habit that you can do, yung trigger mo, dumating yung sweldo mo, and syempre, yung desire mo magkaroon ng investment, yung actual response mo is pag dumating yung sweldo, pwede mo i-convert into crypto, yung money mo, and then, iano mo na sa spot wallet para makapag-trade ka. Siyempre, aralin mo muna yung mga stocks, hindi yung basta-basta bili lang or kung anong hype. You study those stocks and then when the right time is there, boom! You buy that stocks. To learn more about technical analysis and fundamental analysis, Marvin Guillermo, he has trainings, on-demand trainings of technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So, you can see the classes, the links in the description below if you want to learn more about it. So, going back to the habit loop. So, fourth is the reward. Because you have start investing sa crypto or sa stock. Siyempre, especially kung okay, di ba? May reward. Lumalaki yung pera mo, nakikita mo, nagkakaroon ka ng dividends. Yun yung 4 na factors so that you can build a new habit. My question is, as you build your new habit, anong habit yung kailangan mong i-build so that you can hit your goals? Comment below nga, ano ba yung habit na gusto mong idagdag this 2024? Again, to underscore, we need habits for us to be carried through it. When the time comes, hindi natin feel may habits tayo para matuloy-tuloy natin yung gusto natin gawin. As we establish our habits and hit our goals, it would lead to number 3, new opportunities. There are a lot of opportunities around. We just need to deliberately look at it or see things differently on a different perspective. Baka kasi nasa harapan lang natin ay opportunity pala. We are all facing problems and sometimes, nako, problema. But sometimes we do not see the possibility. So don't just see that it's a problem, but also see the opportunity and the possibilities where you can earn or maybe you can grow as a person. So there are a lot of opportunities for you. Maybe it can be opportunity to be more creative, to be innovative, and opportunity for you to be better. So do not limit what you can do. Sometimes we're not doing things kasi feeling natin, hindi sa akin yan, pang sila yan, pang malakasan yan. But do not limit yourself. I was given an opportunity to host a TV show. So if makita nyo ako doon, comment lang kayo. I'll greet you. So hopefully it will do well. So pray for me. Pray for me. So it's a new opportunity and hopefully I would flourish there. I will do my best and sana magkita-kita rin tayo doon. So speaking of opportunity, I'm sure there will also be opportunities for you. What are the opportunities that you need to seize? Nasa harapan mo na bro. Nasa harapan mo na, you need to take control of it. Or let's say, maybe to some of you, wala talagang opportunity, then create that opportunity. Do not wait for it to be put on your lap. There are times you just make that opportunity, especially if you really want it. So again, I hope that as we are starting this year, you will live your lives based on who you are and also what God has planned for you, not what other people think or their opinions. You do you. Minsan kasi, di ba, hindi natin kinukuha yung opportunities kasi ayaw ng ibang tao eh. So what, di ba? Especially if the new opportunity would be of good gain for you, wala ka naman inaapakan tao, it's still aligned with your values and principles, go! And if it did not work out, edi okay lang, at least alam mo. Or at least malay mo, nag-workout and it can also be an opportunity where you will grow your skill or baka kumita ka dun, right? So just go, push. Number 4, new experiences. As you seize new opportunities and try new things, it would lead to new experiences. Pareho yan, good and bad. But they are still experiences. And that's vital to our growth and development. Even if the things that we tried out or we will try and it did not work out, walang tapon dun because it will just build us up and it will enable us to be the person who we should be. It's not just about getting what you want, but it's who you will become. And when you know it, you made a mistake there. So next time, hindi mo na gagamitin or mauulit yung mistake. And leading us to our 5th point, new beginnings. The thing that did not work out, the thing that did not pan out, we have an opportunity to begin again, to restart, to do things better. So kung sumablay last year, ngayon, this new year, pwede mong ulitin and bounce back. There are areas in our life that we have messed up, so ulitin lang natin. Be better. So if we weren't able to achieve our fitness goals, then this year, pwede natin tuloy. Or our finance goals, di tayo nakapag-bonds last year, pwede natin gawin. Di tayo nakapag-crypto last year, then do it again. Whatever doesn't kill you will only make you stronger. So kung anumang kahirapan, kaguluhan nangyari sa'yo, it made you stronger. Type nyo nga sa comment below, stronger. Number 6, it leads to new hope. This new year, it brings new hope. Regardless kung ano yung nangyari in the past, there is always hope. And hindi ko sinasabi, pag sinabing may hope, we will deny the reality or the pain. Harapin natin yan. This is not like toxic positivity. I'm saying, harapin natin yung realidad na nasaktan tayo, that there's a problem, but in the midst of it, we can still say that there is hope. Our hope is not based on us, on how good we are, but we can base our hope on the eternal God who loves us so much. Kaya masasabi natin may new hope eh. Diba? We have a God who can make all things new. So even if we are stuck in a rut, feeling natin dead end na tayo, we have a God who loves us, who is for us, and He is ahead of us. Yun yung maganda, kahit feeling natin, wala na, hirap na. We have a God who makes all things new, who will give us the hope, who will give us the grace, who will give us the favor that we need, who will also empower us to be diligent in building our skills and competence. Kaya may hope hindi dahil ang galing ko or ang galing mo, but because we have a God who loves us and doing things for us na kahit di natin deserve. So that's how loving our God is. So here are the 6 things that make the new year great. Number 1, new goals. Number 2, new habits. Number 3, new opportunities. Number 4, new experiences. Number 5, new beginnings. And lastly, number 6, new hope. I hope that this video inspired you. Galing talaga sa puso yung mga sinabi ko doon. If you are discouraged, always remember that you are not alone. That there are people who love you. Message, comment ka. I can connect you to people. And also, nandyan si God. And I'm not talking about religion here. I'm talking about having a personal relationship with God. A God who loves, a God who cares, even if we feel like we are far away. That's why we can say that New Year is good and great, and all the new things that's happening is because we have a God who is solid. I hope that this video made sense to you. It encouraged you. As always, the best is yet to come. God bless you guys. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.